Hi guys, welcome back to CaptainFishbeard.com. Now, you guys can send me requests. Leave them in the comments, go on my website, tomsparke.com, and leave something in the contact us box there. You can do it any number of ways. Find me on social media, you can do it there. Now, one of the requests I got was to draw Naruto. Now, I didn't know who Naruto was. Naruto, sorry. But I looked it up, and it's a manga, which is very cool. And I thought, right, I'll try and do it. But I'm not going to draw the exact one, because that's not my style. Like I say, I'm an artist. We're all artists. And I want to do it in my own style. So here's how I would do it. So show me how you would do it too. But here's how I would do it. So I'm going to start off with a rough outline. So I'm going to do a little bendy line there. And that's going to come down to the middle there. So it almost got like a shield shape. It looks kind of like the shape of Naruto's head if you ever see a picture of him or if you watch the manga. And then I'm going to do these bits just come out the sides for ears. Then he has this thing across the front of his head. Again, I don't know what it is. Haven't seen the show, but I'm going to have this. It looks a bit like a bandana, but it's got a sort of metally bit at the front there. I'll have that. It's got this cool little symbol in there like that. That's very cool. And it's got these little dots here. Again, on these videos, if I go too fast, just pause them. Or rewind them, use the scrubbing thing to go backwards and forwards. Make sure you get yours right, and so you're happy with it, and draw along with me. Now he's got this crazy hair, dude. Just like, ooh. So go crazy with this if you're drawing along. That's fun, like a big bush. I've drawn a little one coming down there as well. Now Naruto often has these sort of crossface like this. How do I do a crossface? Like that. So I'm going to draw where the eyes would naturally be, there and there. I always draw circle eyes on my big characters like this, and I'm going to draw it like that. It's like that, so make him look a bit. We'll do a session on eyes, because eyes you can just do 1,000 different ways and different expressions you can get from eyes. And a little dot in the middle there, and then I'm going to draw a little nose and a mouth that goes like that. And then he's got these kind of whisker things that come up like that. And he's wearing this kind of a polo neck jumper, shall we say. Well, maybe it's got a zip down the front there. There we go. So that would be the sort of main outlines of how I would do mine. Let's get a bit of pen on it. Again, I'm not really sure what the show's about, but it looks cool from the pictures that I've seen. And he looks like a bit of a dude. I expect he gets up to all sorts of adventures. I don't know what the symbol means either, but again, that looks pretty cool. Maybe I should get myself a little metal headband. Maybe you should. Maybe we'll make one. Probably not. So I'm going to draw my ear a little bit lower than I've done it on my pencils there. That's the beauty of doing pencils first. You can work out the mistakes and find out what you think is going to look better in the final drawing. And bring those down like that. There we go. I'm using the thicker side of the brush pen to do those bits. This is going to come around like that. And he's coming together. Just like that. Am I even saying Naruto? I've never actually heard it. I've only read it. Naruto. It might be Naruto or something else. Completely. I'm going to get it completely wrong. Anyway, that's my one. And I think if I was you, I'd be adding lots of colour. He's got bright yellow hair, and you can do the sort of accents on the hair to draw shadows around the edges of that as well. That always looks really cool. But try it yourself, and I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.